My name is Karan Singh. I'm an artist and illustrator living in Melbourne, Australia. My work varies, and I often like to place it in different contexts, but generally, my style is a playful combination of bright color palettes, often combined with hypnotic patterns. Soundgarden is an arrangement of playful sculptures that are inspired by plants in a surreal garden. Basically, they are kinetic sculptures that spring to life with sound and animation when a viewer approaches them.
Picking up Aero was really easy and understandable and really intuitive. My process kind of started where I did a lot of thumbnail sketches on my iPad. I then took things into a 3D modeling program and started to create different arrangements to see what worked best. The idea with the music is that each of the separate sculptures has its own melody. Once you trigger all of them, the idea was that the melodies would harmonize with one another and work as a unique musical track. Because the work was essentially created during lockdown, I was able to scale the work down to work on tabletop pieces. So I would be, working on my computer and then quickly open up Aero on my phone and then just test it out at my desk. Or if I wanted to, I could, scale the experience up and try it out in my backyard if I wanted to. What was really nice is to finally experience it on a larger scale in a public space, which is what it was intended for.
Creating in augmented reality with Aero allowed me to build a piece that invites viewers to playfully interact with it. It was actually easy to edit and customize the experience, making it pretty fun to experiment with and extend my work into augmented reality. You can check out the Soundgarden experience by scanning the QR code.